Welcome to Joseph and Mary Public School, a place where learning meets excellence, and every child is nurtured to grow holistically. Our reception is the first point of contact, always ready to assist students, parents, and visitors with a smile.
Warm welcome to the new academic session. We are thrilled to have you on board. Get ready for an exciting journey of learning and growth with us at Joseph and Mary Public School.
Every morning, our students step into an environment filled with positivity, enthusiasm, and a thirst for learning. Our day begins with the morning assembly, instilling discipline, confidence, and a sense of unity among students. Our classrooms are vibrant spaces where knowledge is imparted through discussions, activities, and smart learning methods. Our students wear their regular uniforms with pride. On Tuesdays and Fridays, they don their house uniforms, symbolizing team spirit and healthy competition. At Joseph and Mary Public School, we emphasize good etiquette. Students learn table manners, hygiene, and the importance of healthy eating habits. Our library is a treasure trove of knowledge, where students develop a love for reading and research. In our computer lab, students explore the digital world, enhancing their technological proficiency and problem-solving skills. Our school has 3 auditoriums, where students showcase their talents in drama, debates, and presentations, enriching their English communication skills. We celebrate diversity by embracing all festivals, encouraging students to respect different cultures and traditions. Beyond academics, we offer a variety of activities like dance, music, and sports, ensuring the all-round development of our students. Our state-of-the-art swimming pool and sports complex provide students with excellent training opportunities in various sports. In the play zone, students don't just play. They build the foundation for a lifetime of curiosity. Student safety is our top priority. We have well-monitored security systems, trained staff, and safety protocols in place to ensure a secure environment. Regular parent-teacher meetings strengthen communication, keeping parents informed about their child's progress and development.
School timings and dispersal guidelines. School timings. Reporting time 7:30 a.m. Dispersal time Balvatika 1:15 p.m. Class 1st to 4th 1:30 p.m. Class 5th onwards 1:35 p.m. Dispersal plan Balvatika to 4th dispersal from classrooms. Class 5th dispersal from assembly ground.
School bag and books. Bags must be arranged as per the timetable. Labeling required. Parents must write name, class, section, roll number, and subject on books and notebooks.
Meal breaks and essentials. 2 breaks in a day. Fruit break. Seasonal fruits must be sent. Lunch break. Healthy homemade food is encouraged.
Meal essentials. Parents must send apron, napkin, and spoon with their child. Junk food and fizzy drinks are not allowed. school uniform and personal hygiene. Proper school uniform is mandatory. Tie is compulsory. House dress must be worn on Tuesdays and Fridays. Birthday dress code. Only decent attire is allowed. Personal hygiene. Nails must be trimmed regularly. Fancy hairpins, bands or clips are not allowed. Students must not wear accessories, earrings, rings, bands, bracelets, watches, etc. Discipline and communication guidelines. Discipline is a priority. Students must maintain high standard of behavior. English communication. Students must speak only in English inside the school. Parents are encouraged to support English speaking at home. Parent-teacher communication. Use the almanac for messages, concerns, and updates. For any queries or complaints, please email us at the school's official email ID, jmpsschool@yahoo.com. Parents must install Edu apps as all school circulars, assignments, and updates will be shared exclusively through this platform. Leave rules and attendance. Leaves are only granted for medical reasons with a valid certificate. Students with infectious diseases should not attend school until fully recovered. No student can leave school during school hours without a guardian. No half days or short leaves are allowed. Expectations from parents. Ensure regular attendance and punctuality of your child. Check and sign the almanac daily for updates and homework. Encourage daily study habits and ensure homework completion. Attend parent-teacher meetings regularly for updates on your child's progress. Avoid unnecessary leaves to maintain academic consistency. Support English speaking practice at home. Ensure students follow proper hygiene, trimmed nails, neat hair, and clean uniform. Avoid sending fancy stationery, accessories, or electronic gadgets to school. In case of emergencies, remain calm and follow school communication. Important points to remember. Carry daily essentials: sanitizer, water bottle, fruit lunch, napkin, apron, handkerchief, and stationery. Heavy school bags should be avoided. Bring books and notebook as per timetable. Parents must fill the informative pages 5 to 7 of the almanac and submit to your class teacher. Birthday gifts should not exceed 10 in value. Conclusion and cooperation request. Parents and teachers play a crucial role in a child's development. Your cooperation in adhering to school guidelines will help ensure a smooth and successful academic year.
At Joseph and Mary Public School, we shape young minds with knowledge, discipline, and values, preparing them for a bright future. Welcome to a world of endless possibilities.
We learn. We play. We explore. We connect.